y'all, welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee, guys. So we are back designing, guys. Wanted to show you guys from point A to Z. I know sometimes I get a little busy and I'm not able to slow things down for you, but realizing that I have a lot of new subscribers on my channel, and not only do I have new subscribers, I have new business owners or those that are aspiring to be new business owners. So we'll deal with the gift basket business right now. All right, so tonight we are going to be designing a little girl's Easter basket, guys, that we will be selling online or either on the streets. Those are the two ways that I sell. But I want to show you guys a way to make a backing for free. I know many of you are like me. You use pictures, you use signs, different things from Dollar Tree. I use different pictures that I get from Dollar General as backings. But for the children's gifts, guys, we want to use something that we do not have to pay for, okay? Or something really inexpensive. So tonight we'll be dealing with something that we won't have to pay for. So what I'm doing is I usually just get a piece of cardboard, which you saw me doing earlier, from just a regular box, just cutting it off with a straight razor so that it will be nice and straight. And then I took a piece of gift tissue, and you can use either gift tissue or gift wrap to wrap the piece of cardboard up. And you will just be simply placing it in the back of your basket or your box, whichever one you are using at the time. Also, guys, when I am designing gift baskets, boxes, or whatever it is, I always use newspaper as the foundating stabling block for my gift basket, okay? Use sturdy newspaper, not the sales paper, which is normally thin and flimsy, but I use regular newspaper, ball it up, put it in the bottom of my basket, and then I put a piece of gift tissue on top of it, as you'll see me doing now, okay? Make sure that you're not wasting your money using all of your shred, guys. You do not have to fill the bottom of a basket with shred. And even if you do decide to waste money like that, or I don't want to just say waste money, that's what I call it, but if that's what you decide to do, keep in mind that gift shrink wrap paper, I mean, not shrink wrap, what is this stuff called, y'all? Shred, okay? Keep in mind the shred is only gonna keep things but so sturdy, okay? It's gonna sink right into the bottom of the basket. You want to make sure that you're using something that has a stable foundation. So use your newspaper, guys. And as you will see, or I was showing you the gift wrap that I use, which is actually some Walmart Christmas gift wrap. It's black unicorns. I thought that was really, really cute and interesting. So I picked some of that up after Christmas clearance at Walmart. And my mom just wrapped any kind of box. I know a lot of people are using the USPS boxes. I'm not telling you what kind of box to use and what kind of box not to use. But I will say whatever box you use, just simply wrap it up in the same fashion that you would a regular gift, guys. If you are unsure about how to wrap those boxes, there are a couple videos on my channel. And if you go back on my community post, it's listed up there several times. And the topic is something, or the title is something similar to, if you can't afford baskets, do this. It's something like that. But anyway, I'm already in the process of designing, you all, and just trying to figure out where I want to place different items at. Everything that you will see here, the toys basically came from Dollar General. The Blue Star toys, of course, are part of the haul I got last week. And the candy I'm using is from Dollar Tree. The unicorn is from Dollar General. I paid 90% off for that a couple years ago, guys. So we are just placing our items one to the other. Just taping it down, making sure that it is stationary and not going to be moving in transit when we're moving it from one place to the other. Or if it's being shipped, we want to make sure that everything is stationary and in place, guys. So I'm removing the tag off, as I do with all of my products. And yes, the blow dryer does, or the heat gun will remove the tags right off with no problem. Sometimes if I don't have my blow dryer handy, I'll just pick it until I get it off. But yeah, it makes it much simpler to apply heat to the tags, and they will come right off, you guys. So we're just finding out where we want to place the items at. Sometimes you have to take things down, put them up, tape them down, untape them until you get them to your desired position, okay, where you want them at, what looks best, what works best, what keeps the basket or the box level and keep it from tilting to one side. You want to make sure that the weight is dispersed all around the basket or box evenly, okay? So I'm gonna be quiet, okay, and let you guys just kind of watch the rest of the video. But I hope this video has been interesting and helpful for you guys that are going out on the streets to sell. And even if you aren't going out on the streets, which if you're not, I don't know why you're not, but if you're not going out on the streets, you know, hopefully you're selling your baskets online. And if you're not up here to sell them, you're just up here to watch baskets, I hope you are able to create an awesome design for your children, your grandchildren, or whomever it is that you desire to make an Easter basket for, guys, okay? I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Hit the bell so that each and every time Boss Lady Fee uploads a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Y'all already know what I'm going to say. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag. Until the next video. Bye, y'all.